The Iranian decision to launch the Noor satellite into orbit on April 22 has led to major concerns. Iran says the military satellite will be used for surveillance and military communications. It unveiled new drones recently, and it is clear that Tehran wants to use satellites for targeting or reconnaissance capabilities to assist its missiles, drones and other forces. We now know that there are concerns from the Gulf to America that Iran's launch capabilities for the satellite can be a security concern, because they can be used for other military needs. Iran used the cased satellite launcher to put the satellite into a 425-kilometer orbit. This is the first three-stage rocket Iran has built. The IRGC Aerospace Command takes credit for the achievement, and says that it builds on legacies dating back to 1988. Tehran says that the three-stage rocket has a first stage that is liquid fuel. Iran has both liquid and solid fuel programs for its missiles. For instance, in March 2020, Iran showed off a solid fuel rocket motor for its Rad missile. It had already showcased solid-fueled rockets back in 2005, when Ali Shamkhani, then Minister of Defense, showed off the technology. The military used it for the Zeldzal rockets. Iran's Sejal line of rockets are supposed to be solid-fueled, while its more widespread Shahid rockets are liquid-fueled. Reports indicate that the first stage of Iran's current launch was a liquid-fueled Gadra missile. The second stage of the April launch was solid-fueled, and the third liquid. The IRGC says this represents a new propulsion system. Iran says that it previously used the Gadr missiles to reduce costs and reduce the need for new research. With a weight of 17,000 kilograms, the Gadr usually carries a 650 kilograms warhead, the Iranians say. Tehran says it used an improved propellant from its Shahab-3 missile to fuel the Gadr, with an engine that was similar to the first stage engine of a Safar rocket. What Iran is particularly proud of is the solid fuel features of the second stage. It says that a feature of the propulsion system is the use of composite materials, which were much lighter than metal. This results in significant weight loss and increased propulsion efficiency. Tasnim notes that an important aspect of the launch was that it involved a moving launcher that was similar to ballistic missiles in technical considerations and requirements to create such a capability. As a result, the new rocket can be launched from anywhere in the future. It can also be fueled horizontally, which gives it the ability to launch quickly before being identified by enemy satellites. Tasnim claims that the same IRGC base that was used for the rocket was also used for drone and other missile operations. This is a roadmap to Iran's militarization of space, the Iranian media says. The Noor 1 satellite has sensors and signals that are important. IRGC says that a second satellite will be launched with even better capabilities. IRGC Aerospace Commander Amir Ali Hajizadeh says that the next launch will see solid fuel used in the first phase of the rocket. It appears that the Sejal missile will be used for the first phase, Tasnim says. A new version of the Karamshir missile, first tested in 2017, may be seen soon. This is a liquid-fueled ballistic missile, with a range of up to 2,000 kilometers.